Okay. At least I remembered the camera this time. So, got hot dogs I'm taking out right now. And I have the ribs, which I'll be taking out as soon as I get the hot dogs in. No, you can stay there. The thing about these aluminum pans is that stuff like that, hot dogs, they're super hot. But once the aluminum gets out in the wind, it cools right down. All right. Hot dogs and ribs. Later. Okay. There's the ribs. Brought them in, dumped out most of the juice. Then I throw in barbecue sauce and I put them back in. And now they'll sit here for a while. They'll get eaten later, but in the meantime, I got hot dogs out in the solar oven. You saw that. And I just now brought them in and put, what do you call it? Sauerkraut on top of them. So the sauerkraut can warm up. So we're having sauerkraut hot dogs. And then later on this evening, ribs. I'll show you the hot dogs in a bit. Okay. There's the hot dog. I did 3 of them. Vicky has 1, I get 2. And there's 3 ribs. You do the math. Later.